Are you tired of endless scrolling, searching for a mobile game that truly captivates and challenges you? Do you crave a fresh puzzle experience that combines relaxation with genuine brain-teasing fun? Many mobile games promise engagement, but often deliver repetitive boredom, leaving you wanting something more stimulating. Introducing Mask Masters Joker Merge Puzzle Game, the innovative mobile experience designed to solve your search for addictive and satisfying gameplay. Dive into a vibrant world where strategy meets simplicity, offering a unique blend of casual fun and mental stimulation right at your fingertips. In Mask Masters, your goal is to intuitively swipe and merge identical Joker masks, watching their numbers climb to new heights. Each successful merge not only progresses your score, but also unlocks a new, visually distinct mask, pushing you further into this exciting puzzle adventure. The game starts easy, guiding you into its intuitive mechanics, but quickly evolves into a genuinely challenging quest to master the board and achieve high scores. Experience endless fun with its addictive nature, perfect for unwinding after a long day or sharpening your focus during a quick break. Its clean, user-friendly interface ensures a smooth and enjoyable experience, making every tap and swipe feel incredibly responsive and satisfying. Enjoy immersive sound effects and subtle haptic feedback that enhance every merge, bringing the game to life in your hands with tactile precision. Mask Masters is fully optimized for both iOS and Android, providing a flawless experience on virtually any mobile device you own. Plus, it's an offline game, so you can enjoy uninterrupted fun anywhere, anytime, without needing an internet connection. Don't settle for mediocre mobile entertainment when a world of merging mastery awaits you. Ready to test your wits and become the ultimate Mask Master in this captivating puzzle challenge? Download Mask Masters Joker Merge Puzzle Game today and embark on your captivating puzzle journey immediately. Find the link to download the game conveniently located in the description below and immerse yourself in the fun now.